Coucou YouTube, j'espère que tu vas bien. On est parti pour la suite de Kingdom Hearts 2, Phantom Mix. Et c'est parti. Alors, l'histoire, ce que les autres vont dire, c'est faire sa bande sont allés dans la ruelle et ne doivent pas aimer la foule. Ok. On peut aller affronter Cypher pour s'entraîner. Ce truc-là, c'est marrant. Ça vaut pas une bonne bagarre de rue. Relève le défi. Sur YouTube, sur les suite. Écoutez-le, écoutez-le. Non, il est pas très compliqué. En même temps, en mode facile. Pour l'instant. Attendez, je vais prendre un quart d'heure. Pour l'instant, dans le jeu, ça va. En plus, je gagne un niveau en plus. C'est parfait. Alors. Qu'est-ce que toi t'as à me dire? Tu es prêt, tu n'as pas besoin d'aller acheter quelques objets par mesure de précaution. Non, ça va le faire. Rox, ok, toi t'es bizarre. Toi t'as qu'à me dire. Va apprendre les règles. D'accord. Je me fais engueuler. Si pour un autographe repasse plus tard, là je suis occupée. Pour admirer, tu peux écouter l'arbitre expliquer les règles. D'accord, j'ai compris. J'ai compris. Vous connaissez déjà les règles, mais un petit rappel ne fait jamais de mal. C'est simplissime, chaque concurrent a son orbe. L'objectif est de prendre celle de l'adversaire en le frappant. À chaque coup reçu, celui-ci perd des orbes qu'il faut ramasser. Mais attention, s'il vous frappe, c'est vous qui perdez vos orbes. Méfiez-vous. Le vainqueur est celui qui détient le plus d'orbes à l'issue du match. Quand vous serez prêt, allez parler à l'organisateur qui se trouve sur le ring. C'est relativement pas très compliqué à comprendre. Il suffit juste de taper et de se défendre. Voilà.
Hey, sorry about yesterday. What? You still worried about that? You need to learn to let that stuff go. Get it out of my mind. Sorry, man. Wait, what am I sorry for?
Our first match of today's Struggle Tournament will be between Roxas and his best friend, Hayner.
Alors, les règles, très simple. Très simple, je peux déjà taper dessus. C'est super. Allez hop.
I'll show you. I'll show you.
Panda.
I'll show you.
Non. J'essaie d'avoir les 200 heures. Waouh. Ok. Au point. Voilà. Hop. Puni.
And the winner is Roxas! Not even friendship will slow this kid down, and Hayner put up a great fight too.
I lost. Oh, I can't believe it. I guess I taught you well. I had a lot of fun fighting you. Yeah, well I didn't, wise guy. Hey, let's find a way to cheer you up. Nah, that's alright.
Out of the way.
You in a rush to lose?
Don't mess with your elders.
Whoa! Just look at those sparks fly.
Oui, c'est là,
I
faudrait se
guess
faire
Cypher
vite.
didn't expect
Spoil
to
pas,
fight one of
spoil
his own
pas.
boys.
Même si ça arrive dans 2 minutes.
When did Vivi get so tough?
You're mine.
I'm not sure what just happened. But the winner is Vivi in a positively blistering comeback.
Oups, c'est pas grave.
That's not Vivi.
Huh?
Thrash him.
It looks like Cypher's withdrawn from the struggle for 3rd place.
So I'm in 3rd now? Oh, baby!
Il m'avait peur, non? Ah bah, c'est Cypher, hein. Prochain combat. J'ai toujours pas sauvegardé.
Keep it clean, fellas.
Oups. C'est pas grave, ça va le faire.
And now, the match you've been waiting for. Roxas versus Vivi.
Pardon, je voulais pas spoiler une excuse. C'est pas grave, c'est pas grave. Tout va bien. Donc c'est pas vraiment à chaque fois, tout va bien. Est-ce que lui, je vais pouvoir récupérer les 200 orbes? Avec Roxas. Ah ah ah, j'ai un freeze. Tout va bien. Petit freeze habituel. Bon, ok, retour à la case départ. Ok, j'ai compris avec lui, je vais pas pouvoir avoir les 200 orbes. C'est pas grave. Je comprends. Et j'accepte. Puni. Au coin. Trop mignon, les zips. Voilà le freeze, ça faisait longtemps que je l'avais pas vu. Ouais, et même à la fin de KH1, ça m'avait fait un freeze, mais le son était dégueulasse aussi. Ça, je sais pas ce que ça a fait à mon micro. Mais ça arrive, au moins une fois par live. Mais j'ai essayé de voir ça avec un pote pour régler ça.
Again? Again?
Alors. Surprise, je suis machin blanc. Ok. Alors ils sont plusieurs, donc si je dis les, machin blanc, mais pourquoi pas.
Roxas! All right. Fight, fight, fight. You really don't remember. It's me. You know, Axel.
Axel?
Talk about blank with a capital B. Man, oh man. Even the Dusks aren't gonna crack this one.
Wait a sec. Tell me what's going on.
This town is his creation, right? Which means we don't have time for a Q&A. You're coming with me, conscious or not. Then you'll hear the story. Uh-oh.
What's going on?
Number 13, Roxas. The Keyblade's chosen one.
Okay, fine. You asked for it.
La musique, je crois que ça a été ma sonnerie d'appel pendant un moment.
That's more like it.
Hop là. Et la compétence scan, ça c'est parfait.
So it was you.
Roxas! This man speaks nonsense.
Roxas! Don't let him deceive you!
Roxas!
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 Hayner! Pence! Olette!
What? What just happened?
Huh? How did I get here? Roxas!
Ladies and gentlemen, Roxas, our new top struggler.
Roxas?
Roxas, it's starting!
Bon, comment... Ah non, faut que j'aille sauvegarder. Sinon, je vais oublier. Je vais vérifier un truc. Si je sauvegarde là. Ok, ouais, bon. C'est pas grave. C'est pas très grave au pire.
You two, play fair now. You're at the top of the bracket.
There's only room for one appeal.
Well, may the best man win.
Hey, Rucksack. How about you throw the match for me?
Roxas! Focus!
Let me win, and I'll make it worth your while.
Get real!
Roxas, our underdog hero, versus Setzer, our defending champion. The winner of this match will be the true champion. That's bragging rights for a whole year, folks.
Whatever you think is right, you're wrong. And that is a big mistake.
Alors, normalement, le dernier combat. Voilà, ça c'est fait.
This isn't what we agreed on.
Are you scared of me?
Peut-être. Ok, non, bon d'accord. Il y avait un micro-espoir.
This isn't what we agreed on.
I'm not
Il
supposed
y a un
to lose.
micro-espoir pour avoir les 200 heures. Tant pis. Shade. Ceinture de champion augmente la résistance au feu, à la glace et aux foudres de 20%. Trophée du tournoi de Struggle.
Oh,
As promised. Thanks a ton, Roxas. One more treasure for us to share.
I've got a present too, for all of us.
Whoa.
Kyrie, wait up! Hey, do you feel like going out to the island? Titus and Walk are all wrapped up in their ball game, and they won't go with me. Not today. Sorry. Aw, why not? Do you remember those boys who used to hang out with us? Riku? Yeah. I wonder whatever happened to him. I sure miss him. He's far away, but I know we'll see him again. Sure. Of course we will. And the other boy? What other boy? The one who was with Riku and me all the time. We played together on that island. His voice always used to be there, and now it's gone. I can't think of his face or his name. I feel awful about it. So I told myself, I'm not going to the island until I remember everything about him. Are you sure you didn't make him up?
Nominate? Nominate. What's happening to me?
Who are you? And that's That's not my name. I'm Kyrie.
Kyrie, I know you. You're that girl he likes.
Who? Please, a name.
I'm Roxas.
Okay, Roxas. But can you tell me his name?
You don't remember my name? Thanks a lot, Kyrie.
Huh?
Okay, I guess I can give you a hint. Starts with an S.
Are you okay? Kyrie? What's that? A letter. I wrote it yesterday. To the boy I can't remember. I said that no matter where he is, I'll find him. One day. And when I stopped writing, I remembered we made a promise. Something important. This letter is where it starts, I know it. Wow. I hope he gets it. He will. Starts with an S. Right? Sora?
Restoration at 79%.
His progress is astounding.
So, what happened?
Namine's encounter with Roxas put his heart in contact with Kairi's. And that in turn affected Sora. You see?
Namine. She's a wonder.
She wasn't born like other nobodies. She can interfere with the hearts and memories of Sora and those aligned with him.
But whose nobody is she?
I could tell you. But first, perhaps you could tell me your true name.
It's Ansem.
It's an honor, Ansem.
No way! It's too soon. You can't seriously get rid of him.
It's an order. Why do you hesitate? You, who has been ruthless towards those who turned their backs on the organization.
But it's not like that. He didn't betray us. He can't come back.
If he doesn't return, you know what you must do. Or you will face the consequences.
So you'll turn me into a dusk.
All right. I'll do it, if that's what you want.
mince, il est mouru.
I'm
Il vient de
dreaming.
se réveiller. Ce n'était qu'un rêve.
But which parts were the dream?
Cinquième jour. Ah oui, ils ont oublié quelque chose ici. Parce que nous, joueurs, n'oublierons pas, c'est la dimension de leur panard. C'est vrai. C'est réel.
Only 3 days left of summer vacation, so don't even mention that assignment.
But we agreed we'd get it finished today.
Yesterday, I fell off the station tower, didn't I?
You wouldn't be here if you did. But man, that was a close one.
Stop changing the subject.
Okay already. You win. You'll do the homework. Stupid independent study. So, anybody got any bright ideas for a topic?
Maybe we could study the stuff that's happening to me. You know, the dreams and the guys in white.
Forget it.
What?
You know, things have been weird with you in the town since the photos were stolen, right?
Well, tomorrow, we're all gonna search the town and find out what's been going on.
Lots of people are helping out.
All that for me? I'll go get some ice cream.
Il y a une drôle de rumeur qui court en ce moment. Vous la connaissez? Oh, doucement, monsieur. On se passe sur un collègue. Mais tout le monde fait ça, voyons. C'est amical. Vous voyez les escaliers de la gare du couchant? On les prend à chaque fois sans faire vraiment attention. Eh bien, écoutez ça. Apparemment, le nombre de marches est différent selon qu'on monte ou qu'on descend. Sans blague. Il y a 6 autres histoires du même genre qui circulent. On peut les appeler les 7 mystères de la cité du crépuscule. Je crois qu'on vient de trouver le sujet de notre rédaction. Pence, tu es un génie. Il y a peut-être d'autres rumeurs. On devrait se séparer. Je vais enquêter sur les 7 mystères. Alette et moi, on part à la pêche aux rumeurs. En avant. Nous voilà tous les deux, Roxas. Allons prendre le train à la gare. On dirait Axel Blas dans Inazuma Eleven qui pour remonter le moral de ses coéquipiers leur balance une grosse tornade de feu en pleine poire. Alors, je connais mieux Inazuma Eleven que Pokémon, mais toujours moins. Donc, pas sûr d'avoir la ref, mais je capte le délire. Alors, la gare, c'est là-haut. Et on va aller prendre le train.
The time has come. Our hunt for the Seven Wonders begins. Whoa! Find new rumors already?
Nothing on Market Street.
You twerps aren't gonna scoop us. We're going to the terrace with you.
Hana, it's not a race.
Well, it is now.
Come on, we can all go.
Ah non mais vraiment c'est en mode niais, j'ai pas confiance en mes capacités et la bim tomate de feu pour réveiller 5 neurones. Et hop ça fonctionne. C'est efficace comme méthode.
Huh. Aren't these the steps you talked about? The ones that count different going up and down?
Actually, it's the stupidest thing ever, but
What?
Rye's the one who counted. He's like, every time I count, it's different. You know?
So, he just counted wrong?
Hey, no words.
Alors normalement il montre une carte pour les 7 mystères. 3, 4, 5. Ok. Normal qu'il n'y ait pas les 7. Purée mais Roxas si l'on perd des choses, d'abord les 5000 munis, maintenant la pierre bleue, durement gagnée. Je l'aime bien hein, mais fortement amnésique ce jeu d'homme. Tu crois? Tu crois que c'est que de l'amnésie? Oh là là. Alors, prochain mystère. Les balles qui sortent du mur. Pourquoi pas? Ah non, ils sont pas trop non plus. Je sais que certains d'entre vous ne connaissent pas l'histoire. C'est vrai, c'est vrai. Des fois c'est drôle, c'est quand tu connais l'histoire, t'es en mode ok. Ah c'est toi Roxas, tu joues à la balle? J'ai vu une balle débouler de nulle part, j'ai eu peur. Et attends voir, voilà l'un des 7 mystères. Ok. Bon bah il en reste encore. Et normalement, on peut aussi choper des coffres. Il y en a un là-haut. Hop, là, merci le train. Là en bas. Vivi. Ok, il y a trop de Vivi. Il y a trop de Vivi. Il faut battre tous les Vivi. Ok. Wow, 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 wow. Il y en a trop là. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a, Roxas? Qu'est-ce que tu fais avec ça? Tu voulais t'entraîner en dos ce jeu pareil? Pas du tout, c'est juste qu'il y ait plusieurs toits et... Quoi? T'es sûr que ça va? Enfin bon, c'est pas tout ça. Faut que je rentre. Amuse-toi bien. Ok. Alors cette fois mystérieuse, c'était Vivi qui s'entraînait. Mais il y avait des tas de clones de lui. Il n'y a même pas une minute. Bah, c'est pas vraiment Vivi, mais... Ça, c'est un détail. faut m'affronter. Faut que je m'affronte moi-même. Et j'ai pas activé la compétence scan. Je viens de penser. Roxas? Tout va bien. Active compétence. Oui, ben j'attends que la cinématique se finisse. La frousse que j'ai eue. J'ai cru voir quelqu'un, mais c'était juste mon reflet. À tous les coups, c'est l'un des mystères. Peut-être. Un autre moi. Alors, avant que j'oublie. Ok, bon. Parado frappe pour prêt. Un autre compétence, plus 1, il nous manquera de toute façon un de compétence. On va activer plus tard. Normalement, dernier mystère à vérifier. C'est tout en haut. Stratégie avec celle-là, aussi spammer triangle. Voilà. Oh. Quoi? Ce n'était qu'un chien. C'est toi qui l'as fait sortir, Roxas? Voilà qui élucide le mystère. C'était pas un chien non plus.
You know, that last wonder wasn't exactly wonderful. I understand. Say no more. But this next one's gonna be really great. Wonder number 6.
We got another lead.
The ghost train mystery.
Everybody knows about wonder number 6.
Yeah, well I didn't.
Did you find out where the train runs?
You can see it from Sunset Hill.
Et ben allons à la colline. Et attendons que le train passe.
If the rumors are true, it'll be here any minute.
For they say the train is empty. No driver, no conductor, no passengers, no return.
Mais t'en viens de cette colline. Bah, les mystères, tu peux les faire un peu dans l'ordre que tu veux, du moment où tu sais où elles sont. Donc, je pense que ça doit être pareil pour tout le monde. Ça, par contre, je sais pas du tout.
Yeah,
Pas
we
logique,
better get
mais bon.
jobs the second vacation starts.
Good afternoon, slackers. What are you doing out here?
What do you care?
I don't. Tell me anyway.
We're waiting for the ghost train.
Waiting for the ghost train. Why does looking at you always tick me off?
I don't know. Maybe it's destiny.
Destiny? In that case, let's be friends. I don't feel like cooperating with destiny.
When have you ever cooperated with anything?
Cypher!
I know. Tomorrow.
Look! It's really true. And there's really no one aboard.
What's the catch? There's gotta be a catch, right? Then it's real? Let's go to the station. Let's go in. What?
You get hurt.
Huh?
The train will be arriving shortly.
Come on.
A train came from the beach. There was no driver, right?
Let's go.
Right?
Let's go home and work on the paper.
The rumors were bogus. The end.
We can still make it sound good if we write about all the work we did.
But what about the last one? The seventh wonder? Who cares? I do. Come on, Pence.
Whatever.
Roxas.
It's at that haunted mansion.
La maison hantée. Ma manette. Ok, oh c'est bon. Allons à la maison hantée. En vrai. T'es toujours ronchon? Laisse tomber si cette mystère n'avait rien de mystérieux. Si tu donnes encore, tu n'as qu'à aller au manoir, mais tout seul. Ok, encore ronchon. Bon. C'est au bout des bois. Au bout des bois. C'est pas très français. Bah évidemment que tu tabasses les gens avec Sora, c'est un peu ennuyeux le début. Oui, c'est un peu ennuyeux, mais c'est assez nostalgique. En vrai.
You know something?
Whoa.
We were gonna check the mansion out
Mais
tomorrow.
oui, avec Sora, il y aura un peu
It is
plus
the most
d'action.
suspicious place.
Right.
Even Cypher's gang was gonna help.
Cypher?
Yeah, Hayner asked him to.
So, what are we looking for?
Well, they say there's a girl who appears at the second floor window, even though no one's lived here for years.
Roxas.
Namine? This is... me? And Axel's here too.
You are best friends.
Very funny.
Don't you want to know the truth? About who you really are?
No one knows me better than me.
Of course.
But I don't get what's been happening lately.
You know these three, don't you?
Yeah. Sora, Donald, and Goofy. They're from the dreams.
About a year ago, some things happened. And I had to take apart the memories chained together in Sora's heart. But now, I'm putting them all back exactly the way they were. It's taken me a long time, but pretty soon, Sora will be his old self again. The process has been affecting you too, Roxas.
You mean the dreams?
Yes. You and Sora are connected. And in order for Sora to become completely whole again, he needs you.
Me? What for?
You hold half of what he is. He needs you, Roxas.
Namine? Namine. Who are you?
I'm a witch, with power over Sora's memories and those around him.
A witch?
That's what Diz called me. But I don't know why I have this power. I just do. I'm not even sure there's a right way for me to use it.
I can't help you there. It's funny. Suddenly, I feel like I don't know myself at all. I guess I would like to know. What do you know about me that I don't?
You were never supposed to exist, Roxas.
What? How could you even say such a thing? Even if it were true.
I'm sorry. I guess some things really are better left unsaid.
Roxas! Roxas! Huh? Did you see her? Yeah. Watch the window. Closely. Ah, lame. That's just the curtains moving. There must be a draft somewhere. I'm surprised this old place even has curtains. Yeah. Well, let's head back to the usual spot. Hayner and Olette are waiting.
Hey guys, how'd it go?
The girl in the window turned out to be a curtain flapping in the wind.
I figured as much. The report's already done.
All right.
So, wanna go find Hayner? He's probably at the station. You know, we only have 2 more days together.
Huh?
Summer vacation, remember?
Oh. Right.
Tomorrow, we search the town.
Next day's the fair.
The last day of summer.
Don't say that. You'll give me an ulcer.
Not if you explode from all that ice cream first.
Why did you show him the train?
Because he missed the trip to the beach.
That's almost kind of you.
Now, what about you? Are the holes in your memory starting to fill in?
Yes. The haze is clearing.
The same thing is happening to everyone who had ties to Sora. Very soon, to them, he'd be like a good friend who's gone away for a year.
I've waited, and now I want to know. What is it that you want?
Revenge.
Revenge?
Now for the finishing touches. First, we must dispose of Namine. She did a splendid job with Sora, but it's high time she disappeared. Roxas isn't the only one who was never meant to exist. Take care of it, Ansem.
Restoration at 97%.
Gorge, is that all that's left of the worlds taken by the Heartless?
Those worlds will be restored if we beat Ansem, right? But if we do beat him, and all these worlds become restored and disconnected, what's gonna happen to this place? And to us?
All worlds begin in darkness, and all so end. The heart is no different. You see, darkness is the heart's true essence.
That's not true! The heart may be weak, and sometimes it may even give in. But I've learned that deep down there's a light that never goes out.
Kingdom Hearts! Fill me with the power of darkness!
You're wrong. I know now, without a doubt. Kingdom Hearts is light!
Now, Sora, let's close this door for good.
Take care of her.
Kairi!
Sora!
Kairi! Remember what you said before? I'm always with you too. I'll come back to you. I promise.
I know you will!
Now what do we do?
We've got to find Riku and King Mickey.
But, where do we start looking for that there door to the light?
You know?
Gorge, that's the king's seal!
Hey, have you seen King Mickey? Let's go!
I've been to see him. He looks a lot like you.
Who are you?
Why? Why do you have the Keyblade?
Shut up! Man, I could not sleep last night. Guys? Huh?
Ok. Eh ben, je crois qu'on va s'arrêter là pour la VOD. Mais juste avant, je sais pas pourquoi, il y a une bordure noire. Je redimensionne ça et normalement, ça devrait être bon. Voilà, je pense qu'on va s'arrêter là pour la VOD. Donc YouTube, on se retrouve la prochaine fois. Et bye bye.